Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to check out this AI Fashion Studio based application, and it is built on Flask. In the backend, we are using Chat GPT image model. Okay, what all things can happen in this AI Fashion Studio, what all things you can try, that is what I'm going to brief you about first. And then we will see the complete demo of this application, how it works, and on what all devices you can access it. And after that, at the end, we will discuss the coding part. Okay, so here we have two things: person image and camera. So you'll have to assume that you have a clothes shop, okay, and there you purchase fabric clothes. Okay, so the design of the cloth is something that you have the image of, okay, or else you can click the photograph of that image that you get, and you can simply upload it here in this fabric image option. Let me show it to you once. Okay, so this is the type of cloth that you deals in. Now suppose a customer comes to your shop and he or she wants to see how a lehenga of this cloth type will look on her. Okay, so that is something which you can show it to the customer in this application. You have to do, you can either use this option or else you can go with this option. You can click his image, okay, and then you can select the body type, you can select the garment type, and after that you can select the style. And once you're done with filling all these details, give a prompt, type the name of the color he or she likes, and then you can simply generate an image of hers or his in this type of clothes outfit. Okay, now I'm going to show you the demo and then we will check out the coding section. Now comes the coding part. In the backend, we have the Python code here. It's basically a Flask application in which I am using GPT image one. So this is the image based model, okay, that we're using in the backend, which is taking three things as input. The garment type, not three things, but four things. Okay, garment type, the body type. Body type here is the image which you upload through the interface from one of these two options. Okay, then we have the style, and then we have this color. Okay, there is one more thing called prompt, which you are passing from this description section. These five things we are taking as an input, and we are passing this inside this prompt and finally sending it to this model here. Okay, this is the height and width of the image. Final prompt, this should be the size of the output image, and then this is a complete code which is actually processing for us the inputs and giving us finally the output. Okay, then we have this index.html file. It's very simple. So whatever I showed you in the demo, the capture image, okay, view, then zoom in, zoom out functionality, okay, and then we have this camera open, close camera, capture photo. So all these we have different functions. Okay, and then using simple JavaScript, we are triggering them from the front end, and they are simply hitting the backend and generating the output for us. So it's a very, very simple code. Nothing. It's not a rocket science. You can also develop it easily. However, if you want to, learn how to develop these kind of applications, you can definitely contact me. That is one thing. Besides that, I would also like to show you how I have hosted it. So that is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day, guys.